Hi there, and today we're going to have a Shopify Magic AI tutorial. So here I am in my Shopify account, and if you're wondering what Shopify Magic AI is, I have an article right here created by Shopify that explains all the features of their Shopify Magic AI. So basically, Shopify has integrated an AI system to help you in creating different features of your Shopify store. So from here, you can see some more detailed information. So the Shopify Magic AI is available for free in all subscription plans. And then the only difference is that depending on your subscription plan, there might be some specific features that are unavailable. So the first one, the Shopify Magic AI can generate text. So you can generate text suggestions in any part of your store that contains some text. So for example, blog posts, pages, product descriptions, Shopify messaging email, Shopify inbox instant answers and suggested replies, and then from the theme editor. So for example, if you want to generate some text, let's go back here to our Shopify. So for example, let's go to products, and then let's choose this one, the black printed t-shirt. And then immediately when you go to the description, you should see this button right here that says generate text. So this is the Shopify Magic AI. So from here, you can go ahead and generate some keywords right here that you can use for your description. So for example, we have a black t-shirt, graphic t-shirt, quality material, and then let's say cotton. And then from here, we can change the tone of the text that will be generated by the Shopify Magic AI. So you can include an expert tone, a daring tone, playful tone, sophisticated, persuasive, and supportive. You can also insert custom tones right here if you don't have the tone that you're looking for right here from the choices. So let's say persuasive, then click generate. And then, as you can see, it will automatically create a description for you. So you can generate again if you don't like this description so that you can have more text generations right here. That is for your preference. So for example, if we change this to like a sophisticated tone, then generate again. So it will create a different text right here for your product description. And then you can just click keep if you want to use that as your product description, and then click save. And then we can also go to a different part of our website. So for example, we can go to content, we can go to blog posts. Then from here, for example, if you want to create a blog post, the same generate text is right here as well. So for example, let's say create a sample blog about fashion and its trends, for example, like that. And then you can change the tone right here if you want. So let's say expert, then click generate. And then we will have a new blog post right here that is created by the Shopify Magic AI. And then we can keep this if we want. Then click save. Then you also need to insert a title. So let's say this is fashion trends, and click save. And then now we have a new blog post. So basically you can do this to any part of your website that contains text. So you can do what we did is blog posts and then product descriptions. You can also go to the theme editor. So from here, go to your online store, then click edit theme. So I opened it in a new tab, and then here is our theme editor. And then you can go anywhere here that contains text. So for example, this one, this heading, and then you can also see generate text right here if you want to have a different text for your text elements in your Shopify store. And then for the next feature, we also have the sidekick. So this is like an assistant for you if you want to have, or if you have some questions about the Shopify store. So for example, right here, you should see this button right here. So this is the Shopify sidekick. So you can ask anything in here. So for example, let's say, where is the page for product prices? And then the Sidekick AI or the Shopify Magic AI will answer that for you. And then it will also include some links where you can go to the specific page that you are finding in your Shopify store. And then for the next feature, we also have media generation. So you can use Shopify Magic AI to edit some images. So for example, let's go back here. Let's go to this black printed t-shirt. And then let's click this image. And then you can see the generate button right here. So you can go ahead and generate some edits that you want for your image. So for example, let's say change background to a studio. And then we'll just wait for this to finish. And then click this button right here. And then the Shopify Magic AI will go ahead and edit the image for you. So we'll just wait for this to finish. Now that the edit is finished, as you can see, it created a more wide background right here for our image. And then if you're not satisfied with that, you can go ahead and generate another edit right here for the Magic AI. So for example, I clicked change background to a living room, and then let's wait for this to finish and then generate. Then we will wait again. Now, as you can see, it generated a background where the person is in the living room. And then if you're satisfied with that, you can just save right here or save as new. So I will save it as a new image so that it won't overwrite my previous image in the product section. Then as you can see, we now have two images right here. Then click save. And then let's go ahead, look for the next feature. We can also have theme generation. So if you want some specific theme for your Shopify store, you can go back here, go back to your online store, and then from here you can scroll down. Then you can see the Shopify Magic AI right here. So you can describe your business to create unique themes with personalized content. So for example, let's say like minimalist fashion store. So click generate themes, and then the Shopify Magic AI will automatically create themes for you. So we'll just wait for this to finish loading. Now that it's finished, as you can see, it searched for different themes right here that you can use for your website. So for example, I want to try this third option. I can click try theme. Then we'll wait. Then from here, as you can see, the Drive theme is now added to our Shopify store. So we can click publish if you want to use that theme for your website. So for example, I'll click publish. Now we have the Drive theme for our Shopify store. Then we can edit the theme. And then for the next feature, we have theme block generation. So you can click on any block right here from your Shopify store, and then you can use the Shopify Magic AI. So for example, when I click on this block right here, you can see the Shopify Magic AI right here. You can click on it, and then you can ask for changes. So for example, let's say change the background to a dark blue, then enter, and then we'll just wait for it to finish. And then as you can see, it changed the whole background of the website to a dark blue. And then let's say change all text to white, and then let's send it right here so that we can see the text right here for our Shopify store. And then as you can see now, all of the text is in white color. And then next we have app review summaries. So if you are searching for some applications in the Shopify store, so for example, I'll save this and then I'll close this tab since we don't need it, then exit. Then let's go to the Shopify store. So for example, I'll just go to settings, apps, and then I will, for example, I want to review an application right here. For example, this Canva Connect. I can open the app and then let's view it on the Shopify App Store. And then you should see this Magic AI description right here. So it contains all of the application reviews of the users, and then it highlights specific features of what the users like about this specific app. So for example, this Canva Connect app, here is its Magic AI description. And then you can also use it for different features, like for your statistics about this one, for your customer cohort analysis report. So you can click this link so that it will open the customer cohort analysis. But since I don't really have any data right here, we can't use the Shopify Magic AI. And then lastly, we have customer segments. So you can automatically generate a description for your customer segment right here. So for example, let's go back here and then go to customers, go to segments. And then if I create a segment right here, you can use Shopify Magic AI to do it for you. So for example, list of customers who haven't made a purchase in 1 week, then enter, and then it will generate that customer segment for you. So as you can see, it will create a code, and then since there are no customers that made an order from 7 days ago or from 1 week, so it doesn't really enter any customers from here. For example, let's say I'll go back, create a new segment, and say create a segment for customers who haven't purchased anything. And then as you can see, it now created this segment right here, and it has all of the customers since the example customers that I have here haven't made any orders. And then that is it. So those are the different features of the Shopify Magic AI right here. So I hope you learned how to use them, and thank you for watching.